Good morning. Today on DIY Solar Power with Papa, SanTan Solar is having a virtual sidewalk sale where you can go online and you can buy their products. They have a ton of stuff on sale right now. They have two locations, Arizona and Georgia. So you would want to, I'm in Arizona, I would click on the Arizona, and if we go there, you can look at all their stuff. They have a bunch of kits that you could purchase, a bunch of panels. They have individual panels. They have like lots of panels, brand new. They have a lot of used panels. That's what they mostly sell, but I believe that's like used panels right there. You'll have to take a look and see whether it says right on there, used. So, you got like a lot of 15 used panels for $350. If you're just starting a DIY project, it's a great time to buy some panels. I've been buying their used panels for 3 years now, and I've had no problem with any of them. So they offer a warranty on the used panels of a year, and newer ones, they offer much better ones. But I haven't had any problems whatsoever. So I just wanted to share this with you real quick. If you go in here, I'll give you an example. If you go in here and look, say this one right here, these are used, 25 panels for $625. If you click on that, you can go in there and you can get a better description of it. So it's going to tell you, basically it gets a 1-year warranty. They're used panels, 60 cells, gives you the efficiency, gives you all your voltage and amps, your size, your weight. And if you go in here on additional information, you'll see that those are mono panels and they're used. And the total weight of those is 1,243 pounds. And so it'd be on probably 2 pallets. I don't know if they get 25 on 1 pallet, but check it out. They have their virtual sidewalk sale, and right now they have 3 pages of solar panels, and they have much more. They have kits, everything else. So check them out today. I don't know how long it's going to last. Usually, I've been to the actual sidewalk sales. They usually hold them twice a year. This is the first time they're doing a virtual sidewalk sale, and it could be closed in a couple hours or it could be closed in a couple of days. I don't know. So if you're one of the lucky few that see this right away, you can get in there and get some smoking deals. I just got 13 265 watt mono panels that I can use in my backyard because I have shading issues. Put those on my back wall, and that will produce probably enough to run my 127,000 BTU pool heat pump to heat my pool. Because I've been having some trouble with that in the wintertime to try and run that with these mono panels, and the fact that a lot of them are facing straight up, but these will be on the wall, direct sunlight. So go check out SanTanSolar.com. There it is right there. SanTanSolar.com. And hope you find some great deals. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I hope you have a truly wonderful and extremely blessed day. We'll see you in the next video.